and he's killing it. Yeah, I don't know. I didn't watch. I didn't even know, to be honest with you. I'm just setting this up right now. I've said take profit traders the best for freaking ages. Nobody wants to believe me. I've been saying that. For a while. I told everybody to get those accounts when they had 50% off, 40% off, no activation fee, plus get your money back from the eval when you get a payout. Yo, what up, Alyssa? Yeah, I don't know anything about the owner, to be honest with you. I know Matt definitely puts himself out there on social media. Yo, what up, Horizon? Definitely bearish today. Definitely getting freaking payouts. Yo, they just asked me to be back for 2 more episodes. I just booked 2 more. Yo, I locked in my max payout from Matt tonight also. I'm taking $1,200 out. Get paid. Actually, I'm getting $1,200 from here. And I'm gonna get another $225 from here. Almost a $1,500 payout today. Yo, daily payouts on Take Profit Trader, man, all day. All day. All day, every day, twice on Sunday. I'm fucking zoomed in. Hold on one second. I want to see if it. Oh, dude, I didn't realize it was such a. I'm just getting out. I when I was zoomed out, I thought I was like getting in down here. I was getting in up here. Yo, what up, Jay Styles? Seemed AMB. Is that Amory? Is that Amory Horizon? I guess. She was nice. They were all super nice. You know, I just want to, get the crowd going, get the chat rolling. I want everybody to have fun and make some money while we're there, I mean, today we're doing pretty well today. Yo, J Money, I saw your comment. My man, he was like, Cove Trader streams every day live. Yo, I saw that shit in Topstep yesterday. Big shout out. Thanks, man. I saw it. Fuck yeah, man. Yeah, well, you know what it is? I didn't know I was supposed to tell him I was going to buy. Yo, shill all you want, man. That was freaking awesome. I saw it. I gave the point out too. I was like, because I see it. I want to say there's definitely a delay. And I saw it and I was like, yeah. But yeah, so I'm invited back for 2 more shows. I'm sure if things go well, I'll go more than 2 more. But so far I'm booked March. I'll tell you right now, I'm booked March 27th and then the 3rd and April 3rd. One is at 12:15, so like this stream will end and I'll go right on there. I think that's the March 27th one. Yo, need all the profitable trades they could get. Yeah. I mean, I was 3 for 3, $145. I didn't trade big size or anything. Market was down like 4%, which was crazy. But yeah. It was wild. Now let's see what I want to do here. Wow. That hourly sweep. Look at that. I missed this, but look, the hourly sweep. And it came all the way back to open. Holy shit. I completely missed that. Oh, that was this? Jeez. Yeah, so yeah, I'm definitely going to be back and hopefully tear it up again, you know? We're getting paid today, I can tell you that. Definitely getting paid today. Let's see. If they bring it back in here, this would be interesting. Because actually, if they bring it back in here, it will be over the 9. I don't trust any moves today, by the way. I think too many people are looking for the bounce. And the market's just not that strong. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Should I play my my soundboard on there next time? So we are hitting our head right here at the we're either going to dump fucking massive. Oh, shit. Come on, make new lows. New lows, new lows, new lows. ES is making new lows already? Come on. Give us like that fucking big push. Give me the machine gun candle all the way down. What I don't like is the breaks are becoming lesser and lesser. If we don't get under 63, I'm going to get torched here. Oh, I'm going to get torched here. I feel it. Yo, Racer. Look at that. Gzz, gzz, gzz. All my PA accounts. Not only that, I secured a payout here for $1,200. Getting 225 here. I think about $1,500 today. Yo, what up, Walter? Wait, we're at yesterday's low a day? Oh, no. I just think if they let it go, they can really let it go. Like risk reward is we go back way down. But I don't know. I don't maybe I didn't catch it. I didn't catch it. They're gonna fucking stop me out. It's just an eval, but fuck. This eval has been nothing but straight down, by the way. Nothing but straight down. I did put an order here to get in on the push back over, by the way. That is, by the way, this right here is a back-tested play. When you push back into the opening range for the 60, you typically can get 10 points at least. I have a whole backtest video on that. If you haven't, that's why I put my stop where I did in that account, and that's why I bought in this account. Because typically when you sweep back in, you get that momentum. Oh, I locked in I also locked in another day here, 281. Locking it. Oh, hold on one second. My car had a screw in the back tire, and I dropped it off this morning, and it's fixed. So I am all good. Yo, what up, Sam? Yo, I'm gonna be back on Topstep two more times. They booked me for March 27th. Is that what you were talking about? You're talking about this. I didn't even realize I had it up, to be honest with you. But yeah. I already took a payout from this account. So now I took a payout, and now I'm 2 more days into, I guess, the next 5. That how it works? Yo, Pete. I am going to go on. Next time I go on there, I'm going to bring 2 or 3 XFA accounts and have some fun. Stacking gains today, boys. Stacking gains. What's up, Kitty? Yeah. We green secured just about $1,500 of payouts today. I'm requesting that as soon as the market's done. I'm still waiting for my Apex to approve my $2,000 request. Let's see what they had to say about that. I was under review. I was under improper risk management review. Payout request. Let's see. I'm still under review. Just send me my $2,000, man. I got the account up to $60,000. Yeah, but you know who I'm not? I can't just do anything I want. I am all in here. I had no more drawdown. My drawdown was like $200. I was hoping we would just flush. I passed this one earlier. So I guess 1 for 2 is not terrible. Not great. I do like this setup, though. You know why? All right. I like this setup because we're losing the hourly range. We're under the 9, rolling over on the stochastics. Everything about it is negative. As long as we stay below right there, I am. Oh, well, it just came through. That's my stop out point. Oh, don't tell me you wicked me out. Oh, you big piece of shiznick. Shit. Are you kidding me? Did you just wick me out and you're going to dump? Oh, my back. Oh. How are you guys doing today? You guys up? What up, Lee? You're adding TPT while losing, dude. I guess at least you're gaining. Hopefully you get a payout. Hopefully you get. Yo, it went really good, Lee. It went so good they asked me to be back 2 more times. So I'm gonna be back the 27th and the 3rd. I'll let you know as we get closer. But yeah, I made some money, talked a bunch. Well, what rule on my funded futures is hard? You can only. Do you have starter accounts, Ray, or what are you working with? Starter accounts, starter expert, or plus, whatever they call them. What do you got? Because my funded, you can only use. You can only get one account. No. Oh, micro trading. Oh, you're micro scalping? So you could micro scalp like 50%, I think it is. I think it's 50% you could micro scalp. 98? Oh, geez. Now, what do you consider a micro scalp, though? Like, what's a micro scalp? Like, are you in it for 1 second? Like, how do you set it up? Are you trying to get 1 point, 2 points? Yo, what up, Alex? Yeah, 1 tick. Like, what are we working with here? So, if you remember fast track trading, they were 0 commissions. And if you're 0 commissions, you could be. I know people that were basically doing like 1 tick at a time, 2 ticks at a time because there was no commissions. And they would get it constantly. They would do like 10 contracts, 1 tick, 10 contracts, 2 ticks, because it was almost so easy to get 1 tick, obviously. Yo, you know what I got in my fridge for lunch today? Dude, I got a Wegmans sandwich. Anybody have Wegmans by them? I got a spicy Italian from Weggies. Did that just not take me fucking out? I think I got freaking. They missed me by a tick. Missed me by 1 tick. And watch, I would have got clicked right here. Yeah. Dude, I'm in a freaking group chat. What up, Jack? You grew up near. Oh, do they have one in Rochester? Play the bounce. Dude, they got a ton. They got a ton of pre-made food. Come on, baby. If we're going to bounce, this is like the spot to bounce. Dude, you live in Atlanta? They just put one on Long Island for the first time. It's all the way out Long Island. I think the markets are harder today than they've been because they've been where they're just kind of trending down, right? We've just been kind of trending. but we're not trending today one way or another. So it's a lot of chop. Did I watch the latest episode? I don't know. No, I don't actually know what that is. Somebody told me it was a YouTube channel. I actually never seen it. What time is Tariff Talk at? Actually, I'm going to bring it up. What is it? Oh, what do we got? Where's Tariff Talk at? Trump talking today? Me, $300 today. Only $900 in drawdown. This thing's just unloading. Unloading. You want to see 19,000 a day, Sean? It honestly feels like you're going to get one big chop day more than anything. Sure. Blew right through. Blew right through. I'm just looking. Oh, jeez. I'm all in. Whatever happens. This just broke some crazy support. I'm not trading this in a funded account. What sucks is when we came back through here, I was actually short. Blew that eval. Dude, I'm not. It was so easy early on. Oh, I forgot about the comp account. Do I have any? Oh, I blew my comp. Yo, Sean, I blew the comp account. I completely blew it. I didn't even know you could blow it. Are you really? How much you got in your account? What are we working with right now? If I had to guess, you have $22,000. No, $28,000, Sean. What do you got? What do you got? 31? Dude, that's freaking nice. That's real nice. When I go in there, it just says finished. Just shows me as finished. There you are, man. Yo, 13th. Sean is up 221%. I will say, Sean, are you like, I wish I was trading this with real money? How much? I mean, I'm hoping you're following your trades with real money or prop firm or whatever. Because if you're up that much money, you could be up, Dude, that's amazing. What the fuck? I'm about to blow this account that I don't even want. Yeah, maybe that's what you do in I mean, I like doing that. That's why I have these up. This looks like we're about to freaking go back and forth and then dump. After my payout tonight, I'll snag 2 more of my funded futures. Yo, I would trade them how you trade the comp account, to be honest with you. I would just go on the higher time frames and then just lower down your thing like micro, just play micros and just follow the same strategy because you obviously have it working. Whatever you're looking at is what you should be looking at. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you're pulling in, you're going with option strikes. I mean, hey, whatever you see as a strategy that works, just stick with it. Three-bar reversal. Too bad I didn't play that. Three-bar reversals. Oh, my eyes so itchy. Oh, man. Damn, they just spiked that thing. Holy Jude. Look at that. I think today is you might call it like a rest day. I don't know. I mean, obviously it's looking constructive where if you end like this, but you could end, green and then continue the dump. You know what I'm saying? I wouldn't consider this a bottom. I want to see what tomorrow brings us. So, like, if we have a candle like this that ends the day, or even like a green hammer, I would want to see the next day be green and go higher than that candle. Because every time we put in a green day, they just sell it right down the next day. Look, green, open, sell, green, sell, green, sell. I would rather, instead of just seeing like a snapback, I guess this would be like a snapback, like right here. But typically, I'm just saying, typically bottoms that are put in either gap down like 1% or more, and then we close green like a 0.5% or 1%. So you start down 1%, 1.5%, and then you finish up 1%. That's usually a bottom, or something like this where you just get washed out big time, and then they just buy it all the way back up, and then we're done. Those are typically the bottoms that it doesn't happen every time, but that's what I like to see is like a complete washout, and then they buy it back, or open low and then just, here, like that's a buy it back. See what happens. This is more like a constructive bottom where you kind of get like a double bottom. Actually, you got pretty much a triple bottom right here. This is kind of what I would want to see. Kind of like we base over the course of like 3 months and we just keep touching about the same bottom. No, Alyssa, I would not. I would just roll with it. I would just roll with it. Yeah, don't lose money. Never lose money. The only time I lose money on purpose is when I'm doing an eval for Take Profit Trader or Topstep, because they have like the consistency on the evals. So like if you make more, you got to make more to pass. But that's just passing. Like you're making money in a live account. Not a live account, like in an account you can pull money out of. So don't lose. Only on an eval. Alyssa, what size PA account is that? Well, what size PA? I mean, technically you're going to have to get to like $18,000 or something like that for a payout. It'll just keep building it. If you did 5K today, you could do 5K tomorrow, and you just keep going out. It'll be a fun account to do. But I would not. I probably wouldn't lose money on purpose. That's just not in the cards. It's crazy how they make you even think that way. You know, like why even think like that? Where you gotta, but they put that in your head to lose money. Like, don't ever do it. I have an account that I got higher on. See this account? It's got 60 grand in it. I did $4,000 in one day. And then what I did was I did another $4,000 in a day. And then I've been building it up multiple days to get another 2,000. So right now, my consistency in this account is probably like, I'm probably at like 40%. But if I get another $2,000 or so, I can start withdrawing just $2,000, $2,000, $2,000. And then I just keep getting the payouts. Also, what's good is now, look at my drawdown. My drawdown is 10 grand. So if I want to I'm going to wait till I get a payout. But after I get a payout, if I want to like take some big shots and go after $3,000 and $4,000 days, I can, because I got a huge drawdown at this point. I was told my drawdown is massive. But yeah, it's one of those accounts that you'll just keep playing and just keep building it up. Whew. Oh, I was literally just going to take this off the fucking 9. Yo, anytime, man. Just be glad you made 5K. There's a lot of people that don't make it, you know? I would stick to whatever made you the 5,000. I would stick to whatever that strategy is. Oh, geez. You were trying to lose some and end up making way more? Yeah. That's a rough one, man. I will say this isn't looking great. It's unable to get over that. So this has been an inside hour. I kind of want to short this, but you have the 200 and the VWAP. I'm just cycling back to make sure that this is actually the VWAP. Okay. Dude, this sucks. I couldn't move my stop fucking fast enough. Yeah. I got, was it 431? Let me look. 434. Oh, man. Ugh. I mean, you definitely got a little flag going on over here. If this can flag and break over 500, you probably go all the way up to this bottom orb. Or not bottom orb, the top 15-minute orb. It'd have to break this flag, though. Doesn't look like it wants to. Oh. Oh, that's M&Q? Yeah, yeah. You would think that it would all be the same, but it's not. You know? Like, why you would think they would be trading at the same price, but they don't always. I don't know what causes it. I got some, what do you call it, to test out, by the way. I got some new indicators I want to be testing out. I'm going to load them up during lunch, and I'm going to play around with it a little bit. I'm just trying to smash or pass right now. That's all. Smash or pass. This looks too good that it's going to dump. It looks too good. They're going to dump it without a doubt. That's how I feel. I feel like it's too good of a setup to push through that they're going to dump it on me. Yeah. I'm out. I'm out. Starting to get, you're starting to get like lower highs. Unless they just fucking fake me out. See, like shit like that. It does look like a nice little flag. If we break, it's going to go way up. The big if we break. The big if. No. Yeah. Seen that happen plenty of times. Watch it just sell through to 35. There you go. The ES. Oh, shit. What? Dude, they just ripped that 25. They just ripped that 40 points. Nah, I got caught dicking around up here. You could see my fills. I was shorting it, and then I went long. I got yo-yoed. Honestly, you could probably get a short-term bounce off the 34 and the 21 on the 5 right here. You'd basically just scalp it. I'm just watching, though. You know why I didn't like this? I'll show you why. We're trading up in here. We're coming out of this fair value gap. Out of it. You have this 15-minute fair value gap. Too many things I didn't like about it. I should have shorted it. My only issue was you had all like VWAP and everything not too far down. Hey, at least you're up. That's all that matters at the end of the day, that you're up. That you're up and that you take profits. This thing just looks weak. Shit's weak. You know what I realized? In Bullnox, I passed 2 accounts. And I only got one of them. I just realized that. I passed 2 accounts. Yo, what up, CT? I'm sure he is. I've been telling everybody to do take profit trader for a while. I have been telling people way longer to do. I jumped on take profit trader for a bit. I'll be honest with you, it's awesome. Look, I'm getting another daily payout. They're gonna send me. They sent me $204 yesterday. They're gonna send me $25 today. Last week they sent me. I think this is gonna be my 3rd or 4th daily payout. It's just like an everyday type thing now. I just get payouts from. You don't need to make a lot of money. You make 200 and something bucks. Payout. To me, I also passed another one. I'll have another 50K. I'll have another 50K one. But yo, just keep taking payouts. But yeah, they got 30% off plus no activation fee. No activation fee is nice. You're saving $130. What's up, comrade? What up? I did secure a $1,200 payout with my funded futures today, though. So that money comes within like 30 seconds. Same old trading, making money. I got to contact Bullnox and be like, their customer support's pretty good. Oh, you're playing crude oil? Dude. Sean's taking a max payout today also. Dude, Sean, I think you got the right way to trade if you just keep following what you're doing. Whatever you're doing, do not stop. How much do you have to make to take out $1,200? So here it is. Basically, I'm going to take out $1,200, and my drawdown is going to be like $220. But why I don't really care is if I make one good trade, my drawdown will be like $450, $500, and then I'm back. Also, I could take $1,200 out. I can buy 3 starter accounts for $100, and then I can always pass 1 out of 3, or maybe even 2 out of 3, and get a funded account back. You know, so then I take $1,200. I spend $300 in accounts. $900 are in my pocket, and then I'm back with a funded account in case I blow this one. I'd rather have the money in my pocket. And believe me, it's not because I could blow that account tomorrow, right? You can just blow it tomorrow. But if I take the payout, I would have to fail 12 accounts to not have a funded account. And I'm not going to fail 12 accounts. Always take the money. Yeah, what is it? It's $100. I think the starters are like $100 now. I only do starters for the most part, to be honest. I saw that if you do that new one they're doing, eval to live, if you have 5 winning days, they'll give you an extra $200. And then if you have 30 winning days, I think you get like $1,000 extra. Yo, what's good, Dell? I saw you like the shorts, my man. Shit's funny, right? I laugh all the time. I make those. So max drawdown Doing good, man. Locked in some 2 payouts so far today, and just gaining in the rest of the accounts. Max drawdown is 2,500 before you take the payout, and then once you take a payout, you can't go below 50,100. Yeah, if you want the max buffer, yes. Dude, I laugh. I watch my own shorts sometimes. I laugh so hard. Today's definitely a choppy, sloppy type of day. That's exactly what today is going to be, I think. Just sloppy, chop, a lot of chop. What time is Tower? What'd you say? 4 o'clock? My funded futures has the easiest payout threshold. The issue is once you take the money out, your account is basically blown unless you made a good amount of money. Oh. Oh, shit. I can't wait till 4 o'clock, but I think you're going to get a lot of this where, you get a big bounce, you drop, and now we're back up in the same area. You know, I just think it's going to be a lot of this where we might come up here, back down. I mean, it's moving, but it's definitely not a trend day. I will say though, these candles are freaking big because I'm all in with this. This is just an eval. I think that they said that tariff talk. Dude, if they're going to talk tariffs, this is going to go one or two ways. I don't see Trump speaking, though? Where do you see that he's speaking? I don't see that he's set to speak anytime soon. Does a bear shit in the woods, Kevin? You know I'm going to be freaking all in on CPI. I am playing CPI. Dude, depending on how many accounts I pass today, I'm playing CPI with. I might load the boat. Kevin, you're going to be all of a sudden it's going to be like 8 in the morning and you're just going to hear beep, beep, beep. That's me backing the truck up, getting ready for 8:30 at CPI. I mean, it doesn't. This doesn't get more choppy than this. Just remember, max contracts is half of what they allow. So if they allow you to have 10 contracts, you can only put an order in for 5 on the way up and 5 on the way down. You know, they don't let you do 10 and 10. You know, I'll show you. So you can only do 10, right? With this. But watch, if I do 10 down here. Oh, they let me do it. They used to not let you do that. That's interesting. They used to not let that happen. You used to have to break it up. Well, that's what I thought was going to happen before. I mean, the problem with why I like earnings goes one way. Earnings is going to go up, earnings is going to go down. When you play CPI, you get sometimes like a flash up and then a flash down. You never know what you're going to get. Sometimes they just go one way, sometimes it goes down, and then sometimes it goes like this, and you're like, yeah. I mean, I've done it with funded accounts before. Actually, I did it with my Take Profit Trader Pro account and did $800 in it last week. This is just pretty crappy to trade in general. I'm hoping it goes up. I'd like to see a pullback, but I do not. It doesn't look like buyers are stepping in here. It just seems like the selling has stopped. How's that sound? It seems like the selling has stopped and there's no buyers. You know, I'm not sitting here being like, oh man, they're buying. I mean, this is just. Yeah, Kevin. I mean, I almost feel. I almost feel like the platform is not really built to play those types of orders, and that's why a lot of times there's mistakes and shit like that. I noticed that a couple times. Like it shows I got filled, but it doesn't. But it doesn't fill me. I had that happen a couple times. Dude, I got my sub sandwich waiting for me. I can't wait. Locked in, baby. I'll tell you what, these are the days that you can get chopped around and start losing accounts. You can easily start losing accounts on days like this.
Order filled.
They take that right off the 9. My stop is right under the 9. I really like Project X platform, the way it looks, the way it feels, but I just always fucking like every time I get in a position, I'm always down. I'm just always down. Not once do I ever get in a position and I'm like, oh, I'm up. I just feel like it's always against you.
Order filled.
Always against me.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay. I'm going to try passing this. Well, I can't pass this account today, but hopefully I can get this account to like $52,000. That would be my goal. Yo, the slippage is crazy. What up, Nao? It's like I'll press the button and it's like minus $40. I'm like, what are you $40? Yeah, you should make you can make money with 1 micro. Use the limits. Oh, like that. Limit buy like that. Oh man. I'll play around with it. I just noticed that the slippage is just a lot. They're gonna bring it all the way back up.
Order filled. Order filled.
I don't even know what I made off that. I hit the button. It was like 75 bucks. Just momentum. It looks like we're trending up. The problem here is you can't add. I can't add opening range. They have no opening range. What are they? Do they have anything that's like opening range? They have. How do you not have the opening range on here? Why? Whoa. No sense. Like, I gotta draw that. I'm not fucking drawing it. I'm not drawing it. I don't understand, though. The opening range is like very popular. Like, the 15-minute orb is super popular. Why wouldn't you have that? That's like bonkers. Bonkers is a good word for that. That's bonkers. Or that's bananas. I just don't understand. I just don't get it. Anybody use Topstep X and has good like what indicators do you guys use?
Order filled.
What indicators are you guys using on Topstep X?
Order filled.
Nothing. Yo, when I'm on Topstep TV again, I'm gonna ask. I'll be like, bro, what's up with this whack platform that doesn't have opening range on it? Tell him shit's whack. Add it. Dude, I should open up a support ticket and just say, hey, like, can you add fucking opening range? It's super easy. Good thing I can do that. Yeah, trend lines. I'm just looking. Any of these other ones good? Anything? Dude, they got a Topstep daily levels. I've never used Bullnox Project X. How is it? Is it the same? I would assume it's the same. I have to run my executions on Project X. Will have my yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing right now. I have all my stuff here. This is not looking good, by the way. Not looking good for the Bulls. The Bulls. Look at this.
Order filled.
Oh, that's so fucking high. I would like to see this candle just dump. Put my stop right here.
Order filled.
I knew that was going to fucking happen. Kind of looks like a rising wedge, guys, to look at it. I would say we're going to break this line at some point, and when we do, it's going to be a pretty big fucking dump. Yeah, I think it's I honestly think it's bearish in general. Generally speaking. Super trend with AR factors. Is that on here? So I run super trend and AR. Dude, where I don't see ATR factors anywhere. Is it in here? I don't see it. I mean, that's kind of what I'm looking for, is probably more to the, like, a swift dump. I don't know. It's very choppy. Super, super choppy today. I wouldn't be surprised if we close somewhere around right where we are now and just kind of chop up, chop down. This is very much what you blow accounts with.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, I went to put it there, but I guess. Come on.
Order filled.
If I had to play CPI in one direction, what would I guess? I would probably guess. Oh, man. CPI last. Let me see what we got. I would probably say
Order filled.
we're going fucking lower. Just tell me we're going to just dump. No, I'm going to get fucking stopped. I would probably say we're going to go. I just feel like it's going to go down. But the fact that we're so low, I don't know. I don't like playing it like that.
Order filled.
Anything could happen. I don't know. My gut is we're go low on CPI, but the fact that the market's down like 14% makes me feel like we're gonna go up. I know it doesn't really help, but that's kind of how I feel about it. Oh yeah, this is broken.
Order filled.
Come on. Come on. I know I got an awful entry, but you want to come to me. I know you do.
Order filled.
All I need to get this to is like 51,700, and then I could pass it tomorrow because I can't pass it in one day. So I just need to get it to dude, I knew this was going to be short too. Such a nice short. Got to play both ways. Got to be able to play both ways in the market. I mean, we're down on the day. I completely whiffed. I completely whiffed on the bounce on the orb. Completely whiffed. Such an awful entry. Still got money, but you wanted to buy it close to there. All right, guys. I'm going to go eat. I'm going to be back at 2 p.m., which is in 2 hours. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code CoveTrader. Watch your accounts today. This is a really fucking choppy day. Like, this isn't that good of a price action. Yeah, I'm fucking up a lot of money today in accounts, and I'm just going to tell you that the price action sucks. It just does. Price action is not great. So protect your money. Wait for a really good setup. Bang it, and that's it. But just don't get too aggressive, long or short, because it seems like we're going to be trading a range today. So just sit tight, play the range, and maybe scale down. All right, I'll see you in 2 hours. Peace.